Now, remember where the congressman comes from. He's a Florida congressman with ties that go back to Cuba in the 1950s. But my information is that his family connections to Cuba, like a lot of Cubans who hot-footed it out of the island to the United States once the revolution was in vogue. Now, some critics argue that the increasingly hawkish tone towards the Caribbean states reflect a broader geopolitical anxiety. China has increased its footprints in the region. Russia maintains a diplomatic presence. Iran is continuing to seek alliances, but the Caribbean remains one of the few areas where the United States historically exercises dominant influence. Applying coercive pressure here is easier than confronting peer competitors elsewhere. And so the danger could be miscalculation.